Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to install the iOS 18 beta on your iPhone. It's an easy guide, so let's get started. First things first, we need to back up our iPhone to iCloud. This is just in case anything goes wrong during the installation. We have a restore point. To do this, go into the Settings app, then tap on your name at the very top. From there, find and tap on iCloud. Next, tap on iCloud Backup, and then tap the Backup Now button. This will back up your entire iPhone to the cloud, providing a safety net in case something goes wrong. Next, we need to make sure we have enough storage on our iPhone for the updated version of iOS. Again, go back to the Settings app, scroll down and tap on General. Then tap on iPhone Storage. After a few seconds, this will calculate your iPhone storage. You want to make sure you have at least 10 gigabytes of free storage for the new iOS update. In this case, we have 82 gigabytes of free storage. If you are struggling with storage, you can follow the recommended steps on this page. Now that we've done that, we need to sign up for the iOS beta program on our iPhone. Open your web browser and go to beta.apple.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. This will take you to a page that gives you more information about the beta program. Scroll down and click on the blue Sign Up button. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID, so click Continue and sign in. Then, go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions. Great! We've now successfully signed up for the iOS beta program under your Apple ID. Now we just need to update our device. Go back to the Settings app, scroll down, and tap on General, and then Software Update. On the Software Update page, you'll notice a new box called Beta Updates. Tap into this. You'll get a few options. As you can see here, we still have all the iOS 17 public betas available. In this case, we're going to select the iOS 18 public beta. If we go back, you'll now see the new update page for the iOS 18 beta. All you need to do is click on the blue Update Now button. This will download the update to your phone, and then prompt you to install it, which requires restarting your iPhone. Once your iPhone restarts, you will then be running the new iOS 18 public beta. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Rome Tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.